I'll give you everything I've got.
Hey, whoa, shit. Hey everyone, how's it going? Whoa, it's Tommy here with the Hardrock Life channel with the lovely Hells. Today, it has snowed like crazy in Aldershot. Looks like Mount Everest. And it's pretty nuts. Just been slipper dipper diving everywhere. Hells' feet already freezing. How you doing?
I'm cold.
Hells is cold. She's always cold.
I am.
Whoa, shit! She's always cold. She'd be cold on top of a pyramid in Egypt, and she'd still be. It would be true.
No, it's not.
We just went out, tried to record some flutes. I got in a strop and threw one in the snow. Oh, it's fucking shit. Probably the worst thing you can do to a flute, but I'm basically a giant toddler in a man's body, which sounds a bit dodgy. We're out up Caesar's Camp in Aldershot, one of our favourite places to go and walk. And Hells, she doesn't like the walking that much, do you? Oh, there's a doggo. You got a doggy? Nice little doggo there. Yeah, you're not a big fan on the walking, are you, Hells?
I don't mind it.
You don't like the hills?
No.
Hells doesn't like the hills, so she always has a go at me when I take her up the big old stony hills.
Run off.
I run off because I'm like Steven Spielberg of Aldershot. I'm trying to make history. So yeah, over and out, guys. Just thought I'd whoa, sweet bejesus, we got an avalanche. Just thought I'd let you guys see what's going on. Peace, be safe in the snow, and don't eat any of the yellow snow. Definitely don't eat the brown stuff, and I'll catch you later. Bye.
Bye.
The time of the demon, our demon, is drawing close.
You alright everyone, how's it going? So we just got back from our big old walk and we figured we'd check out the new Frankie and Bennie's vegan menu in A-Shot. So we're just on our way there. Hel's got her fortune teller headband on from what was it?
Wish.
From Wish. What do you think of the menu so far?
Yeah, it's really good. I actually don't know what to choose. I'm in the mood for a burger. They've got a hot dog. They've got I eat no chicken parmigiana, which sounds really good too.
Yeah.
They've also got the macno cheese. It sounds amazing.
So first up we got the vegan garlic bread. Hells couldn't even wait for the camera to go on. What do you reckon?
Good. Really good. Really nice. I think it's Firelife. I think it's Firelife mozzarella.
Okay. So the main course has arrived. I can't actually get the whole pizza in this 15 inches of Kansas City vegan barbecue pizza. And Hells, what was yours?
Viva la vegan burger.
The Viva la vegan burger. Go on, Hells, take a big old bite. Go on.
Well, I'm staying with them, so I'll see you lot at home.
Good. So the pizza is pretty damn good. It makes me feel like when I used to order pizza as an omnivore and there was that kind of unhealthy, cheesy, barbecuey, dirty, greasy kind of flavour going. Look, if you're a healthy vegan, this isn't for you. But if you're like someone like me and Hells who enjoy our kind of junk food every once in a while, this really hits the spot. And do you know what? Frankie and Bennie's have really delivered on this one. I've heard so many mixed reviews in the past, but this pizza has that feel-good vibe of when you would order food as an omnivore. That there's loads of like fake meat on there. The barbecue sauce is tangy. The cheese is melty. There's chives on there. It's really, really good. So I'm going to tuck in. Go on, Hells, have a slice of my pizza. Let's see what you think. Get it down your trap. So what are you going for dessert, Hells?
Cookies and dream sundae.
for a Sunday, it's lacking a few essentials. Hot fudge, some sauce swirled around the outside of the glass. There's some little marshmallows in there, but I don't think they add much to it. They're a bit chewy, and the whole thing is more like a sorbet, a frozen yogurt, than an ice cream. So
Yeah.
I'd give this maybe 5 out of 10.
Yeah.
42.74.
That's all right.
Sounds, all in all, what do you reckon?
Yeah, awesome. Yeah, I love the garlic bread and I love the burger and the chips. I like my cherry coke to go with it all.
Out of 10?
The overall experience, 8.
8 out of 10. You know what, I kind of agree. I think 8 out of 10 for me, definitely be coming back. Good value, food was tasty, and yeah, it was decent, so thank you very much. Cheers. Get it down your trap.